Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Huh. If you see Grindr's phone, you see Grindr on his home screen. Run, girl, run. He's a grinder on that wood. Look, run the street, it's at the brother this day. He told everybody it was all just a play. He just down low for play. He's down low, busy app just to play.
She saw Grindr on my phone. Chill my soul to the bone.
Yeah.
She saw Grindr on my home screen. Now she thinks that I'm a queen.
Grindr on that wood. Grindr on that wood. Grindr on that wood. Grindr on that wood. One thing for certain, two things for biz. The average straight man doesn't know what Grindr is. Everybody knows, go. Ladies, check your man's phone. Ladies, check your man's phone. You might find yourself alone. That's why. Yeah.
She saw Grindr on my phone.
Yeah.
Chill my soul to the bone. She saw Grindr on my home screen. Now she thinks that I'm a queen.
Grindr on that wood. Grindr on Grindr on that wood. Grindr on that wood. Grindr on that wood. Ooh, Grindr. Lady, if you see in his phone, leave him alone. He's looking for something you can't give him. He's another Grindr. That wood. Understood it.